terrible meltdown of Donald Trump just had a terrible meltdown of epic proportions during a speech in North Carolina. Let me show you what went down. Donald Trump started doing these hand gestures while discussing chairs. Let's play this clip.
Politics, I never mention looks anymore. The most beautiful woman can walk right across. I don't even look at her anymore. Because in politics, that's the sign of death. We don't look. But I do look at the arm of a chair, and I'd say to your artists, they were artists, they were artisans, you know? I'd say, no, can you give a different curve? Can you do a little more carving at the end? They were right in front of me, bing, 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 bing. They were like geniuses.
Then Donald Trump said how he likes gold thread and not mustard colors. Let's play it.
Sorry, apologize. I like that hat, 47. It's nice, actually. Beautiful, nice thread, gold thread. I watched that myself. I went gold thread, not mustard colored, you know? No, they give you, a lot of times they sell you mustard colored. It costs them a lot less. We don't accept those hats. When you have a mustard colored thread, don't accept it.
He then said that they are totally beholden in. He's not making any sense here. Let's play it.
Because they are totally beholden. I don't love that word, but they're beholden. They're beholden to the insurance companies.
Next, Donald Trump appears to use the R word, either inadvertently or intentionally. Here, play this clip.
TrumpRx.com. But this is the biggest thing ever to happen on drug prices, pharmaceutical prices. It will also tremendously it's going to reduce the cost of healthcare because healthcare is.
Then Donald Trump says, do you see the corruption coming out of Mar-a-Lago? Let's play it.
Hey, did you see on Mar-a-Lago, did you see how corrupt that was now? It's all come out. Wow. It's all come out. Some life. It's all come out. They were totally corrupt, radical left lunatics. Not stupid people, by the way. He was, but the people that really ran the country and that really ran the auto pen, they were not stupid.
He then says he wants to call Hillary Clinton the B word. Let's play it.
50 or 60 points higher. Now, Hillary was smart. She was nasty. Whew, I wouldn't want to go home to her. She was nasty.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about a very interesting and surprising movement. This happening during Donald Trump's recent speech in North Carolina. Many news channels like MediaTouch said that Trump struggled during the speech. Some people said he fell apart while talking. In this video I will explain everything in easy. I will tell you what happened, how people reacted and what it could mean for Trump in the future. So let's start. First, let's understand the situation. Donald Trump is the former president of the United States. He is still very active in politics. He gave speeches at rallies to sports his ideas, promotes candidates and prepare for problems elections in 2024. Unusually, Trump gave very confident and encouraged speech. But during this recent speech in North Carolina, things were different. Many people noticed that Trump had trouble speaking clearly. He pushed a lot, repeated words, and some things looked confused. This was very unusual for him. Why did this happen? There are a few reasons. Stress and age. Speaking in front of a large crowd in not easy. Trump is older now and public speaker can be training. Experts say that this may affect how he talks some things. The speech content. Trump often talk about many topics in one speech. He talked about politicians' part, achievements, and elections. Trying to remember all points can make someone push or make mistake. So these could be reasons why Trump struggled during this speech. Next, let's look at the media reactions. Many news channels headlined the moments where Trump pushed or repeated words. Social media also reacted strongly. Video from the speech went viral on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, on other platforms. Some people made jokes and memes about the speech. They shared funny clips showing Trump struggling. Others were serious and worried about his ability to lead the country in the future. Now let's break the speech into key moments. Opening. Trump started the speech with angry. He agreed the crowd and talked about politics and past achievements, but soon he had trouble say a sentence about elections politicians. He pushed for several seconds middles while talking about the economy and achievement. Trump repeated pressures and forget the others of his options. Others points. Some people in the audience clapped to encourage him, but others looked confused ending. At the end of the speech, Trump tried to resign. Trump tried to regain energy, but even then his speech was not very clear. Commentators say this was not like his usual speech. What does this means for politics? Public speaking is very important for leaders. Speakers show confidence, energy, and leadership. If a leader seems confirmed or weak, people may start questioning them. However, Trump has many loyal supporters. They may not care about one speech, but it these movements happen often. They can slowly affect how people see him. People on social media reacted in different ways. Some media funny memes and video about the speech. Some were worried and asked if Trump is healthy enough to lead. News channel analyzed the speech carefully. They compared it to Trump's past speech. Overall, everyone was paying very close attention. It is important to know that all politicians face criticisms. Speeches are watched by millions of people. Mistakes are nothing quickly. Even expected leaders have bad day while speaking. Trump teams usually help him with speech ratings and preparations. What people speak is always difficult. No one can speak perfectly every time. What can you learn from this speech? Public speech matter. A single moment in a speech can affect how people see a leader. Media and social media are very powerful. Clip and video can speak quickly and people from opinions fast. Look at the first picture. Critics may exaggerate and spotters may ignore mistakes. Watching the full speech and understanding context is a very important. Some people think this speech show a problems for Trump. Other thinks it is just a small mistake. We must remember that one speech does not decide everything. Trump is still an important figure in US politicians. Analysts say that repeated mistakes could slowly affect public opinion, but for now, his strong base of supporters still supports him. In conclusion, Trump's speech in North Korea was unusual. He struggled with words, pushed many times, and looked confused. The media noticed this and social media reacted fast. Some people laughing, some were serious. Even thought this speech may not change Trump power immediately. It is an important moment of watch. Public speaking and media coverage play a big role in politician today. Thank you for watching my video.